Hey everyone! In today's Roblox Studio tutorial, I'll show you how to restore a previous version of your game using version history. We'll create a simple game, publish it, make changes, and then roll it back to an earlier version. Let's jump in. First, open Roblox Studio and click New. Choose any template. I'll use the baseplate template. Now, let's add a simple object so we can track our changes. Go to the Model tab, click Part, insert a block. Change the color to green and resize it if you want. This will be our green box version. Next, we need to publish the game so Roblox can start saving version history. Click File, Publish to Roblox as. Create a new game, name it anything you like, and click Save. Once published, this version with the green box is saved online. Now let's make a change to the game. Insert another part. Make this one giant and red so it's easy to see the difference. Scale it up and place it somewhere visible. After making this change, go to File, Publish to Roblox again. This updates the current version of your game and creates a new version in the history. Now the game has both the green box version and the red box version saved. Let's say we don't like the giant red box and want to go back to the version with only the green box. In Roblox Studio, click File, Game Settings. Select Places tab. There you can see Number of Place version. Click on three-dot button on right side and choose Configure Place. Scroll down to the bottom. You can see Version History. Click on View button next to it. Here you'll see a list of all previously published versions of your game. Find the earlier version, the one before you added the red box, and click Open. Roblox Studio will load that older version. You should now see only the green box again. The giant red box is gone. Now close the red version that's still opening. Don't forget to publish again to make this restored version the current live version. Now if you close the game and open it back from dashboard, it will load green box version. The one has just overwrited. You also can do this action without opening the game. In Experience List from Dashboard, find the game you want to edit, then click on three dots. Choose Configure Place. It will redirect to your game project from Roblox web browser. There you can see Version History tab. Select it. A list of all versions will be shown. Select version you want to restore and click Confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to restore older versions of your Roblox game using version history. This is super helpful if something breaks, you delete something by accident, or you just want to go back to a previous build. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.